Okay. Hi. Hello. Hello. I'm Jane. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hi. Today.
She will introduce our.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Two beautiful ladies. So
Thank you so much.
My honor to meet you all. And what's your name, please?
Bay.
Bay. B-A-Y Bay. I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. I will hand you my microphone.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We can be.
I just hand it over.
Or just hold it. It's good. Or a little bit higher. Great.
Just close to my mouth.
Yes, exactly. Because of the virus, we need the mask to protect. And this microphone will assure our performance. The effectiveness will be heard clear and loud. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Bei. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the product? I see a lot of products. I'm so excited looking forward to your introduction. Thank you. Okay, sure.
Hello, everyone. Make an introduction.
Yep.
Say hello to all the customers. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Bei. Today, I will in charge of make a simple introduction.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Just a minute, please. Live again, please.
Is it okay now?
Repeat from
Okay.
the. Yep.
Hello, everyone. I'm Bei. Today, I will show you what I presented here. Okay.
Sure, 没 power 了。电池还行。OK。为什么？功率可能是。
你要稍微摘一下。
要怎么样？啊。
还是你用。
好。Okay. Sorry about the take 2, take 1, take 3. Okay.
I will start.
Yeah, start again or continue. Up to you.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, so sorry about that. Maybe we have some trouble from.
Oh, 我就这样拿着就好了，是吧？
哎，对，好，谢谢。
我这样子是吧？这样子。好。Hello everyone. I'm Bei from Huayu Stockist. Today I will make a simple introduction. What Huayu produced. Okay, please follow me. You can see our Black King Kong series. That's like a track, right? Yes, it's our track light. But this track light is all provided from our customer, What Huayu produced is PCB inside. You can take a here. What Huayu produced here is the PCBs inside the PCB, and all the lights, all similar lights is from our customer. See here. Our track light PCB is different from the traditional one. The traditional one, the surface finish of the traditional one is used Hauser, carbon ink, emulsion gold. But there is some disadvantage for the traditional one. So it is easy to have some copper exposed and the carbon ink pin off. And also for some PCBs with the carbon ink surface finish, if you want to produce this product, you have to get the approval from the supplier, or you cannot use this product. Use it for the track light products. Okay. And our track light PCB it has some advantages. It has good domestic, and also it has no price drop, no resistance, and heavy current, and also over after if you buy over PCBs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry for the switch it
It's
again.
okay.
Carry on. Very good.
Please here. This is over greer camera for commercial use. Commercial use. Here. You see our URL on the partner number here. You can see here, and you can see there is some code. If you scan the code, you can get more detailed information for our products. Here, you can scan here. Okay. This is our straight light product. Straight light, we only present 4 products, but we have many more, such as 6 in 1, and 56 in 1. Also, it has some code you can scan here. Also, you can scan here. You can get some more PCB information. And you can see here, this is the Huayu URL. URL here. And this is our downline products. Downline products. Products we have designed some code here. You can scan the code to get some more information. This product is our COB. Just here. Take a look. For the straight line, we have worked with some optics suppliers such Hacknex and Dark. Yeah. Here, please for me. This is our track light. Here is the track PCB, and this is another use for our track piece Black King Kong. You can see here. You can use for this light, and it also can use for this light. Okay. Okay.
I'm interested.
Yeah. Oh, this is our new product. It's also a PCB inside here. And but it has some how to say magnetic. Yeah. So it can handle. Can handle it. Shoot here.
Yes. Can change the shoes to another balls or something.
Sure.
Objective.
You can see.
Yeah, I see ball there.
Yeah.
We just ruined a little bit.
Camera. Yeah.
I'm scared to change the space.
Yeah, there is a space to this one.
Yeah, it's pending here.
Yeah, it's pending here.
Just like the floating.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow. I bet a lot of the audience will be interested here. Yeah. But this model, the series, the King Kong series, I was listening to your detailed introduction. Wow, this is the beginning.
Okay.
And
yes.
Really did it well and great. Yeah. Okay. Small change on this and a big change in the whole industry.
Sure.
Yeah, that's very good. And other
needs to introduce our green product. You can see. It's high temperature. It's just to help the growth of the plant.
I heard some very expensive 多肉 plants.
Yeah, same like that. Yes.
Special one. I kind of yeah.
Now this product is popular in North America.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I see that the keywords of plant growth lighting is a rising Google trend.
It
Accelerate.
Half of the week.
Half of that. Great. So any other products you want to discuss?
Just tell you that in this time we just show some finished light
Finish
here. Yeah, because we want to show customers that show what our PCB can use it for.
Yes.
Yeah, this time
It's just outgoing.
Yeah, it's different from the traditional one.
Yes. Application.
Before we just show our real PCB here. Yeah.
They don't understand what they can do.
Yes. We just that's right. We just want to show customer what our PCB can use it for.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We can get exactly understand what the PCB can use it for, or is suitable for our product or not. Yeah.
Exactly.
But also we have some space for our real PCB. Our real PCB, there is the aluminum PCB. We call the MC. Also FR4 PCB, and also copper PCB, and steel PCB. And also two sides with metal core. The metal core is just metal in the middle over there.
Yeah.
But for the two nails with one side is an MC PCB, MC cord. Metal cord is in the bottom. In the bottom side. Yeah, it's different from the two.
Different types of the
and for the normal one, FR4 we can for the mass production we can produce the 1 to 12 nails.
1 to 12.
But for sample we can do 1 to 16 nails. Yeah. That's our technology.
May I have a because your capacity for PCB will be fluctuate with your supplier upside. For example, if your supplier cannot offer you enough of the products, then you have some trouble in manufacturing your PCB. Does this happen a lot? Because
no, actually no.
Great.
Because your question is that the problem many manufacturers will face or just a single box.
Yesterday I heard of
so always for the safety protection, we must have some stock.
Yes.
And also some only one supplier. We should have 1, 2, 3 or more suppliers. Some urgent things.
Exactly. Don't put all the eggs in one basket.
Sure.
That's great. I'm so sure of that because I have some friends that are doing the investment pre-A or A, B, C round of the investment. So they are targeting this PCB and mini LED or some new technologies. So they also suffer from the problems that maybe they have plenty of money, but they don't have the other suppliers. They don't have enough suppliers to give them products.
That's our answer. What I say that I say that that's a normal question. The normal question that each factory should have to think about to discuss how to avoid such problem. Yeah,
that's great. Yeah, I see that you have. Okay.
Do you see here?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
The new product.
Oh, new product. Okay.
Yeah, it's a transparent PC.
Oh, I see.
Transparent. Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
And also connect with Wi-Fi.
Oh.
Yeah, if you connect with your Wi-Fi, you can change
the pattern or change the video. Yeah.
Sure.
Oh.
Interesting, right?
Yes. So the agent is a glass.
PCB. You can touch it.
Oh, wow, I see.
You can see.
How many? I think it is thousands of them. Durable. That's good. A name card for your company. Name
Sure.
card, or then you can show before the camera if our.
Okay. Yeah, can you?
This booth yesterday and today.
Started from yesterday. Yeah.
The people traffic is not as
Good virus.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you this one. This is a bay from Huayu. And can I keep this one?
Yes.
Later on, I will add this WeChat or because I don't have a name card. Thank you
so much.
Thank you. So happy chatting with Bei in Huayu, and this company really the introduction of a PCB is really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. If you need some PCB, contact us.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
have
you.
a good day, and I will see you. Bye bye.